recording.
What?
I said it's recording.
Alright, so I'm going to take the degreaser out of my trunk. Set up some little spot. Grab my scrub brush. Scrub it in. Grab my absorbent and sprinkle it down. Brush it in. Now I'm going to possibly need another application, but I think with this one you'll notice results immediately.